Hey guys, I'm going to do a real quick, like 2-minute video here on Dos Caminos, just to see, well, I seen it, so you could see what's going on with this. And it's looking good, piece by piece. Here's what we got going on. All right. We have accessories mounted, exhaust manifolds on, intakes on, some of the wiring's done. It doesn't look like a lot of progress, but all this, especially these GM and all these brackets that they put on for this air conditioning, power steering, it's a little maddening. But as you can see, the alternator's lined up, AC's lined up, the power steering's a little off, but we could figure that out. But now we can go underneath the car, torque converter bolts, bolt up the exhaust, pop in the drive shaft, replace the tank, put on a fuel pump and a battery, and we'll see what she sounds like. So like I said, guys, just a real quick bring you back up to speed on Dos Caminos. We get a full-length video coming on this probably in a week or so. And that's it, guys. Again, appreciate you, and we'll talk to you soon.